our final method is the matrix reduced row echelon form method. So we have the same system of equations, and we know that we should get 2, 1 as our answer. So this is just a different method to do this. And we're using a matrix, which is essentially a table of numbers, and we're going to fill in the coefficients of my variables and then the constants on the other side. So we never put our variables into the matrix, we just put the numbers. And this is a 2 by 3 matrix because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so the calculator steps for using the matrix to solve this system are right here, so this is kind of good to refer to. There's 3 main steps. So my first step is I want to enter in this matrix, and it's under the Edit menu. So if you go to Second Matrix, and then go all the way over to Edit, and we're going to enter this into matrix A. So press Enter. And then you want to make sure that this is a 2 by 3 matrix, and then you can enter in all of your values. So once you do that, you should quit out, and then you want to go back into the matrix menu, and this time go under Math, and then go all the way down to RREF, which again stands for Reduced Row Echelon Form. Okay, so then RREF appears on the home screen, and then you want to go back into the matrix menu for the third and final time, and this time it's just under Names because you want to declare that you're using matrix A. So you may have or you may not have any data in the other matrices. It just depends on if you've used the calculator for this before. So now we're ready to take the RREF of matrix A on the home screen, and this is what you should get. So the way we read the answer here is it's really the last column. So this means that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So 2, 1 is our answer. And that is consistent with the other 3 methods that we used for solving this. So I want to talk just a little bit about why we could read the matrix like this. Basically, if you just retranslate the matrix into an equation, it's going to be 1x plus 0y is equal to 2, and 0x plus 1y is equal to 1. So if you just put these coefficients and numbers back into an equation, this is what we get. And when you have 1 next to a variable, you don't need to really write the 1. When you have 0 next to a variable, you don't even really need to write the variable. So this top equation is just x is equal to 2. And the bottom equation, we don't really need to write the x. And it's just really y is equal to 1. So that's the same thing as here. So that's really why you can read it like that. But you just need to remember that it's always the last column of your matrix after you do the RREF. That is your solution.